just been looking through the tutorials we've been filming this week, quite pleased with them, and there's quite a variety there, and we were wondering just how many tutorials are there on the site at the moment. So we looked into this, and we're nearly at 200. It's just a few away from 200 tutorials. So we've decided to have the biggest discount we've ever done to mark this watershed, if you like, and we're going to have a 25% discount on membership, both monthly and annual. And if you just follow the link that's come on the screen below me now, you'll find out how to do this. And I have to say, I'm quite gratified by how the site is going. We seem lately to have taken on quite a lot of new members joining up and enjoying the tutorials, posting on the members forum, etc. It's such a fun and vibrant community, and I can see that a lot of the members have sort of made friends with other members when I look at the comments on the forum. So it'd be great to have you with us as part of this community and help you along on your watercolour journey.